Want to run Android TV right on your PC or laptop? In this 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to install the Android TV emulator on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This setup is perfect for app testing, watching streaming apps, or even creating YouTube tutorials directly from your computer. Let's get started and turn your PC into a full Android TV experience. First, you need to check visualization is enabled in your PC or laptop. To check that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance and select the CPU. In visualization, you can able to see enabled in my case. If in your case it shows disabled, then check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video to enable the visualization. After enabled the visualization, you can proceed to the steps shown in this video. Just open up Chrome and search Android Studio and press enter. Select the first official site. Select the Android Studio outer and scroll down and select I have read and agree with the above terms and condition and select download Android Studio. It started downloading 1.3 GB. After the downloads get done, just click on it and install it, guys. Select the yes option and select next and select next and select next and select install. And after get this done, select this next option and select finish. Select the don't send option. Select here next option and select next and select the next option and select this accept option and select the next. Select this yes option after the installation done and select finish. And you can able to see more actions drop down and select this virtual device manager. Select this plus icon on the top. Select the allow option. Select this plus icon to create a virtual device. In this list, select TV. In this name list, select your monitor's resolution, in my case 1080, and then select next option. Go to additional settings. To set the internal storage, you just need to open up File Explorer. And in my case, I have 111 GB free in C drive. You can select a half of the C drive space, guys. In my case, I can go with 55 GB and then scroll down. To set CPU cores, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Performance and select the CPU. In cores, you can able to see how much cores you have. In my case, I have 24. You can set in here half of your cores and same thing for RAM. Go to Task Manager and select memory. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM, so I can set a half of the RAM in here, 16 GB, and then select the finish option. Now the TV has been added. Select the play option over here. And now select this setting icon and scroll down. Select accounts and profile. You just need to log into your Google account. After typing it, select this next icon. If you can't do it, then just press the three dot icon over here. Just go back like this and select the next option. Now type the password and same way go back and select next option. After logging to your account, you can use it normally like a TV. If you want to make it as full screen, just click on this edge and drag it upwards. Same way, click on this edge and drag it downwards. can make it as full screen like this. Favorite apps, added YouTube, and you can watch YouTube videos. And whatever things you can do on TV, you can do it in here, guys. So, and that's how you install the Android TV emulator on your PC or laptop and start running Google TV on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech guides and emulator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.